Hi, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to do a review about a product that is available on Warrior Plus by Billy Dar, which was launched on 13 August 2020. This new application is specially aimed at beginners in the online market. If you are a complete beginner with no knowledge of these type of applications, this is not going to help you. This is the sales page of the product with all the false promises to you, the beginner. I'm going to talk about the sales page, take you inside the members area where I will support my statement I just made. I will look at the OTOs, upsells, and in summary, I will give you the pros and cons and my honest opinion about this product based on my own experience with these types of products. Stay watching till the end. I will reveal an evergreen business that you can use to make money online with free training and support. No need to spend your $17. I'm Dr. Loendi from legitblueprint.com, where I provide content videos, tutorials, and reviews just like this to help you make informed decisions before giving out your hard-earned money. If you want to start an online business, then click on the link below and follow my suggested proven strategy to create your own successful online business. Subscribe to my channel and ring the notification bell if you want to know when my next video is released. Let's get back to the product review. Genie is a 4-in-1 cloud-based application that is going to bring together email marketing, SMS marketing, messenger bots, and also social media. This is not the world's first and best software that I have seen. You can do a lot of these without using the Genie application. A life of freedom. Let's see. Beginners want to hear. A life of freedom. Press a button and wait for the money here. It's hard to make money and they touch your pain points. The page touched the soft spots that you have and think it would immediately fill the gaps and give you the opportunity to make money in seconds. This sales page I'm showing you is here to get you to buy this product. Remember, you are vulnerable and any word that touches the pain points will make you buy the product. The sales page is misleading and blown out of proportion with false promises to you. Do not fall for this motion-full sales page. The laptop lifestyle and freedom sounds great. As a beginner, you shouldn't be fooled. Genie is showing you that you can make money. If you don't have traffic, it will not bring you traffic. Genie is like managing the traffic that you already has. So please do not be fooled. This software will never bring traffic to you. Statement about the money back guarantee. You will never get your $500 payment if you do not make money. And 365 days money back guarantee. Let's get real. This will never happen. Here we are in the members area of Genie. The members area look nice. It looks good and also simple. But I want to know, what do I do? Here at the top, I can see who subscribed and whom had messages, etc., where they come from, emails. So there's information on the page and it shows me various statistics. Here I can see where my traffic is coming from. But if I don't have traffic, will the statistics help me? I'm just wondering. I can also import a file, my Facebook page, because they say the app allows you to import your Facebook account to this app. But if I have Facebook and they have campaigns, why don't I just use Facebook? Why do I need an app? This is what I'm wondering. And especially, will it help the newbie who doesn't know how to work with this app? Furthermore, it also have campaigns. You can set up campaigns, but this I can also do in Facebook. With any new app, I would like to know, how does it work, what do I do, and where does support come from. I found on JVZoo a Genie demo. They only play music and flip through the different pages. Well, I think I might know how to do it if I go through this, but I would love more tutorials, especially for newbies that start with this. They need to understand what to do and how to set up this the right way. Maybe tutorials will still come, but at this stage I could find no tutorials. And if I don't find tutorials to support me, or any support if I want to call them, then this program is totally a no-no. I don't buy anything who's not having a good support system or a training. As I don't think this is very important because nobody will buy this product, I'm not going to go in depth in each of these pages. The only thing that I can say, if you go into bot settings or using bots, I hate it when I find something and I can see a human being didn't send me something. Now you can also see there's broadcast. You can broadcast SMSs, email, but if I don't have traffic, who do I broadcast to? As this app won't bring me traffic, the traffic I have will be managed by the app. So I have a big query. Even bringing in my Facebook page and the different applications. All applications have their own specs. Did they take in consideration the specs of the different things? If I make a video for YouTube, I cannot put this video on Facebook or Pinterest or Twitter, as each one have their own specs. So I don't think this is a good product to use. According to me, I would say no. Let's look at this in the summary. This is yet another product by Billy Dar with lots of promises for the new buyer. But nothing will happen, and the new buyer just buy fake promises. The pros. This software will work if you have lots of traffic and you want to manage your traffic. It will work. Even the bots. If you have 5,000 to 10,000 subscribers, you can use bots because writing back to each one as a human will not work. But as a beginner with no traffic, I don't see the point. The cons. No traffic. As we know, beginners who start with zero traffic, and none of these type of products will bring in traffic if you don't have. The sales page is very misleading, as I showed you in the beginning. There's a lot of promises, and what you can do, all the pain points are answered, so don't get fooled by these pages. Point number three, training is minimal. I couldn't find proper training or anything to support me, and especially for newbies who need support, who new to the systems. I don't think this is a good product. And lastly, there's much better products out there. As an advanced marketer, you will never find them buying these type of products, as you want a sustainable business and a long-term plan, and with these products you never know. They might not be even 6 months available, as you don't know who is in charge, who is maintaining them, and what will happen, or it's just a selling point for 1 month and gone. Now, lastly, let's get to the upsells. With any product, I looked at upsells. Usually, when you buy a product, the basic product should help you to be able to function without buying additional products. But with all these type of products, you will find 3, 4, 5, even 7 upsells. In this case, 5 upsells. Once you bought everything, it will cost you $500 plus dollars. Will it work? No. From the start, I can tell you, you will not gain traffic at all. So, why spend money on something that's not efficient and effective? There's much better products out there. So, if I should say this is not unique, as there are much better products that you can use to do the same thing. By now, you should know to take these products with a pinch of salt and do your research thoroughly before you buy any of these type of products. This is already for me a no-no if I do not have customer support, which I could not get. I would not buy this product. Save your $17. If you do not have followers, you will not get eyeballs to your ads and post. It would be better for you to use a better product than this if you really want to build a sustainable business. You cannot trust any of this information, and getting traffic with the press of one button, forget it. If it was so easy, why are all of us not rich? Let's get real. This is not going to work. You have no one to market to. First, work on your traffic and get real followers. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel by clicking the bell icon not to miss my next video. I'm Dr. Loendi from legitblueprint.com. I provide useful information to help you create and grow your online business. If you want to start an online business, then click on the link below and follow my suggested proven strategy to create your own successful online business. I hope to see you in my next video on the other side of the screen.